मतलब भविष्य मतलब देखो मुझे कोशिश कर रहा हूँ मतलब मैं ढाई 1.2 1.4
Hi Nidhi, hi Asha. Can you guys hear me?
Hi.
Hello. Nidhi, I can't hear you. Mm-hmm. Can't hear you. Okay, take your time. Okay. Uh, what were we discussing in the last class?
We were doing the unsolved questions
Yes.
from the exercise.
Yes. What question were we discussing?
We are done till 7, right?
Are you done with 7? That was the homework, right?
Yeah, we were done with it. Right?
Did you do it?
7 1.
We didn't do 7 in class. It was a homework.
Oh, no, I forgot to do this.
Nitish, what about you? Did you do it? Okay, then let's start with the 7th one. Can you try sharing your screen, Asha? Can you hear me?
Did you say something? Hello?
Yeah, I said, can you share your screen? I think your audio is lagging again.
If I share my screen, it becomes. That's the
Okay,
only
but we
problem.
can't, yeah, we can't keep
Yeah.
doing it this way.
Wait a second, I'll share in 2 minutes.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
I cannot. Okay, now I
Now,
think it is.
can you
Yeah,
see the.
I can see it. Yeah.
Yeah, the Blue Jay hang today. So the other one I was doing, but Since it is divide the larger number by the smaller, so we have to find out what is the largest and the smallest, and then do it, right?
Yeah, Yashna, your voice is breaking. Uh, I can't hear you clearly. Yashna, can you hear me?
Huh?
Your voice is breaking, so I couldn't hear you clearly.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you now. Go ahead. Okay, if your computer is hanging, you can stop sharing.
Yeah, I can.
I can't see you now, but okay. What were you asking?
I'm saying it's okay. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah, I'm
I
saying it's
can't see
okay.
you, but I can't see you.
We have to do. I got confused. Hello, am I audible?
You're audible. Can you disconnect and join?
Am I audible?
Yadiksh, are you working on the program? You're on mute. Okay. Okay, you can share your screen.
Is it
Yeah.
okay now?
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, Yashna, I saw your program a bit. I was confused what you were doing with A, B, X, and Y. Why are you copy pasting?
I was no. I was still thinking that maybe I could make a copy of them and then do it so that it does not change A or B or anything. Should I do with A and B only?
If it's not okay, if you need to copy them, copy them. If it's not needed, then you don't need to do it.
Then I'll do it without the copying.
Okay, try. If it works, then okay, then no need.
Thank you so much and see you. Bye bye. Take care.
What number should I try with?
Try with what number do you try with? 20 and 16.
20 and
16.
okay. LCM is 80.
Are you sure that's correct?
It should be.
Check.
But GCD, like GCD is the, what is it called? Continued division method, right? So I won't be able to check for that. Let me see. I'm trying with some other number and checking like smaller numbers so that
Okay.
it will be easier.
Okay, did you follow this formula of first finding the
One
GCD, then dividing the product of the two numbers by GCD to find out the LCM? Did you go by that method or did you go by some other?
what?
Did you go by the method mentioned in the question or did you try some other method?
No, I went by the method mentioned in the question.
So you first calculate the GCD, right?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, good.
After that, I have done LCM.
Great, great. Works. Okay,
I took an example and did of 6 and 10. It's coming 30 and it should be 30.
should be 30, yeah.
Like he can also try, so he'll also get 30. So we can confirm it.
Okay. I think the program is going okay. Mm, there's one issue here, or is it not? You think it's okay, Yashna? I don't.
What are the issue you are saying
Mm,
by the way?
do you think the program is correct here? Nilesh, do you think it's correct?
I can't spot any like
Okay, if
wrong
you
thing
both think
right
it's okay,
now.
then maybe. Okay, I think there's one error in the program, but okay.
It seems so.
Not a compilation error, but a logical error, maybe.
Oh, why? Oh, the exclamation mark. The exclamation mark. But should it be? Wait a second. It
There's a
should not
logical
be
error,
equal to
maybe.
equal to. It should be not equal to. So exclamation mark.
Okay, but then he has defined rem as 0, initialize rem as
There
0.
should be exclamation mark there. Because if you do equal to 0, then
Okay, but I'm not too sure about what you've done with rem is equal to a by b, rem is equal to b by rem. I'm not too sure of this part. Okay, I can see that the larger remainder is getting divided by the sorry, the larger number is getting divided by the smaller number, but are you sure it's correct? Just take some random values and check whether it's correct or not. But then that should happen again and again. You don't know whether it's going to happen once or twice.
So what are you saying?
Okay, okay, try running the program. I'm not too sure if it's correct, but okay, try running it. Take 20 and 16.
No, I am saying that it should be exclamation mark equal to 0 because it is not equal to 0.
Okay, Yashna, you're lagging again, maybe.
I did something else there.
Okay. Can you tell him what did you do? Maybe there's a logical error in your program.
I did
There's a
while
logical
like
error. Go ahead.
while
What
that
did you
b
do?
is not, the second number is not equal to 0, then a third variable,
Okay.
that is the remainder
Okay.
will be equal to b, and then b will be equal to, that is the remain. Okay, I cannot explain like this, but it was a bit different.
Okay. Do you want to share your screen? Maybe can you stop sharing for a minute? Yeah. Go ahead, Yashna.
You can take 6 and 10 and check.
Maybe there was a logical error in your program. The statement where you wrote remainder is equal to a by b, then remainder is equal to b by remainder, something like that. That part is the logical error in the program. I'll explain you what. Let's take two numbers, 20 and 16. Okay. Now my job is to divide 20 by 16. What do you get as the remainder? 4. The remainder is 4, right? So you need to divide 16 by 4 now. Okay, when you divide 16 by 4, you get 0 as the remainder. Okay, so 4 is your greatest common divisor. So you can go something like remainder is equal to a by b. Okay, then you can go a is equal to b and b is equal to remainder, something like this. It will go until while remainder is not equal to 0. This loop will run till remainder is not equal to 0. Yeah, sorry, a modulus b. My fault. Correct. Okay, what do you get? What I've done
Maybe.
here? Okay, Yashna, can you check and tell me whether what I've done is correct or not?
Yeah. What?
Can you check and tell me whether what I've done is correct or not inside this part? This all will be inside a loop
You have done this only.
while while remainder
I took
not equal to 0.
I took t as remainder.
Yeah, this correct, right? Okay, so the next couple of questions are on string, so we'll not do them. Nitish, do you understand this part? Okay, so go ahead, try correcting the program and tell me whether it's working or not. Okay, 20 isn't the correct answer. Can you share your screen?
Sorry, there was connection connected.
Okay. Yeah.
Did it work?
Not too sure. We're checking here.
So it did not work.
Okay, Nidit, you've done a very basic mistake. Yashna, can you find it? A very, very basic mistake.
Um, RAM equals to 0
Correct.
because in the next line it's RAM is not equal to 0.
Also, there's one more error. There's one more error. Okay, you can assign it if you cannot assign it 0, you can assign it 1 for starters. That also works. Anything except for 0 will work here. But there's one more error in the question, in the program, I think. There's one error in the program. Go step by step logically. Take two numbers. Okay. Try to dry run the program. It's in the later half. It's not anywhere in main. It's inside the GLCM method.
Instead of no, that's correct.
Okay. Let's see who can find it. Okay, take A as 20, B as 16, and try running the program in your head. Try a dry run. You can use pen and paper if you want. After each iteration in a loop, write down what the value of A, B, and remainder would be. That will help you. Just use a pen and paper. Write down the value of A, B, remainder,
We can
everything.
we can write slash calculate.
Okay, what would be the final value of B? Tell me. According to
Final
this loop,
value be 1 second.
take any two numbers. What will be the final value of B? And take any number, the final value of B would be same for any two numbers. If I'm saying it would be same for any two numbers, then it's a very general answer.
One or two something.
No. Take any two numbers. Yes, 0. Because the
Oh,
loop will stop and remainder becomes 0. And you're assigning B, you're assigning the value of remainder to B in the final step of the loop. So
yeah.
B will be 0. So you cannot write M multiplied by N divided by B because B will be 0. So before B becomes remainder, you are storing the value of B somewhere else. Where are you storing it?
We are storing it in N.
No, before it becomes 0, inside the loop.
Oh, that is it.
Yes.
I did a bit differently. I copied the numbers to x equals to a and y equals to b, and I used x and y in
That's
the,
okay. You can use A, B, X, Y, doesn't matter. But
yeah.
still, you would have to divide by X, not by Y.
Yeah, I divided by x.
Yes. Okay, Nidix, you're making very, very basic mistakes. Okay, I've told you multiple times, whenever these kind of things happen, try writing down the values. What will happen to each value after each iteration? So that we can avoid these mistakes in the future.
Yeah, I
Correct.
also got it.
Correct. Correct. Okay. There's not too many questions left in the chapter which do not involve which do not involve arrays or strings. Okay. So we'll do a couple of more questions on function overloading, but it's the same type from what we have discussed in the previous classes. Okay. Function
Um,
overloading, that's from almost same type of questions. Okay.
can we
Uh,
mark the ones which has arrays or strings?
okay. Do one thing. Mark all the questions that we are doing.
I am doing that.
Yeah.
I'm doing it.
So all the remaining ones we'll do them after we have completed arrays and strings.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll do couple of more questions from arrays and sorry, from functions in the next class. But I guess that would be our last class with functions methods. Okay.
Okay.
Because there aren't too many questions which we haven't done before.
Okay.
Okay. But we still have to do the theory part.
Okay.
Yes. So who was supposed to do that?
The lucky person.
Okay. Theory is important. This chapter contains some amount of theory which will definitely come in the exam.
Yeah.
Yes. So next class we have to do it. We'll spend 40 minutes on programs and 20 minutes on theory.
Okay.
Okay. Nitesh, in the meantime, keep practicing. Hope you don't make these kind of mistakes again and again because you've done them in the past. You kind of make the same mistakes again. That shouldn't happen. Okay. So keep practicing the programs a couple of more times. And I'll see you both in next class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye. Okay.
Bye.